Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm doing well. What about you?
Very good. Happy to talk to you. Uh,
Good.
where are you calling from?
I'm calling from India.
India. I am
Yeah, yeah.
in Egypt right now.
Egypt.
Egypt.
So basically, you are from USA.
I'm from the USA. I'm just traveling right now. Uh,
Okay, that's great.
I'm in Egypt. Very cool.
Yeah.
How long have you been on Cambly?
Yeah, I've been using Cambly for 1 month, but the couple of days before, I have ran out of my subscription. So today, I retake the subscription for 3 months.
3 months. Oh, okay, exciting.
Yeah.
And you're looking to improve your English pronunciation and grammar, things like this?
Yeah. Obviously, like my final stage is to grab your accent. So
Ah,
and improve the English. So that is why I joined Cambly, and there is another reason to join Cambly because I have not mine. My father have a small business. We are manufacturer of handicraft products. So we
oh.
produce So we produce our products in India and ship in the international market.
Ah,
So currently I'm looking for US customer.
okay. So you want to be able to speak English to speak with U.S. customers internationally.
Yeah, that's
Okay. So it's
yeah.
business
Yeah, here,
business related.
do some pictures. Do you want to see?
Sure, sure.
Yeah, it's like this one. This is the aluminum gold plated trays and bowls.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is the decorative elephants.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, this is a rhino. So these type of stuffs we ship.
Okay, very cool.
Yeah.
Uh, so how long has this business been open?
Yeah, my father has been running this business since uh, I think 2017 or 16. I think.
Oh, wow. So like years or something like this.
Yeah, yeah, maybe.
Oh, very nice.
So
And
do you
are
know,
you
yeah. Yeah, I'm saying like, do you know any shopkeeper who sells this in USA?
uh I don't know any shopkeep. Not that I can think of from the top of my head. I'm very sorry.
No.
Uh,
Or can you suggest me any method to ship our products?
any customers to ship our products to?
Any method where I can ship our products in USA? It may be any agent who can help us to increase our sale and and we can make our business we can make the business increasable and yeah we'll give some commission to him, like if
Ah,
any. Yeah,
like a distributor, maybe? Like
yeah, let's consider you are agent and we'll get an order through you, so we will give you 5% commission. So let's this type.
oh, okay. I mean, I know maybe some friends who would like to purchase it if you
So
send the link.
how can I contact your friends? Is there any
Uh,
method?
I don't know. Maybe. Do you have a website?
Yeah, I have a website, but currently the website is on working bay. So
The
yeah,
web.
website
Ah,
is not working currently. Yeah.
the website's not working. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Um,
I have a contact number. My business
okay.
have, but yeah. So,
That could work. Maybe you send the contact number. Uh,
but how?
but how? Yeah, I wish you had a website or like a way they could see pictures of the what they're gonna
Hmm,
buy.
we can, but the website is not working yet. Is this a single method we can just send our pictures through the WhatsApp or Instagram?
Okay. Uh, yeah, I don't know. I I have to think about that. I can't. I don't know. Right now, I don't have anyone on my mind.
Okay, okay, let it go.
But it sounds great. I love the pictures and it looks really cool.
Yeah, thank you.
Very
So
cool.
right now you are in Egypt.
Yes.
So what's the temperature right now in Egypt?
Um, I only know it in Fahrenheit, but it's like the coldest it gets is 49 Fahrenheit. So it's not that it's kind of cold. Uh, not like snowing, of course, but like chilly weather.
So is it winter running?
Is it winter?
Yeah, is it winter running?
Yeah, it's winter right now.
Ah, that's great.
What's the weather like for you now?
Yeah, here the weather was pretty well, and now the weather was pretty good because like uh, uh, many days before many days here it was very cold. Here was very cold, and I think the temperature was maybe 4 degree or 5 degree in Celsius.
Ooh. Oh my God,
Yeah, but now it is okay.
it is okay.
Yeah, I felt I took the sun bath today, so yeah, it is
Mm,
good. Yeah,
very nice. Okay, very cool. And uh, so what part of India are you in?
I'm from Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh.
Yeah.
Did I say that?
Maybe
Okay.
maybe about Uttar Pradesh ever?
I haven't heard of it. Is it close to a place I may know?
Delhi.
Uh, oh, okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Can
So
I ask how old you are?
yeah, I am 19.
You're 19?
Yeah, yeah. I'm
Oh,
doing my
wow.
right now.
Hmm.
It's my first year. Yeah. So I have a question.
Yes.
Yeah. So let us suppose if I'll go in America,
Hmm.
so handle the Americans, like can I handle the American English? Um, will I understand their accent or not? Will I survive there?
I think if you went to where I'm from, California, uh,
Yeah.
LA, Los Angeles, our accent is not difficult to understand. But if
But
you
now
went,
you are talking to me. So is this the way to talk them? Like is this their way?
yeah, in California, it's their way.
Oh, so it's not too fast.
No. Your English, I understand your English, so it's very good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Very good. Did you learn English from an early age?
I've been learning English for I was my class 11th. Like I've been learning English for 1 year, for 1 or 2 years. Yeah.
1 or 2 years. Wow, you picked it up pretty fast.
Yeah. Thank you.
Congrats.
So, but
Uh,
there is a major problem with me. I cannot use more vocabulary in my speaking. Like I know a lot of vocab, but I cannot use in my daily speaking. So that is why this is the problem that I cannot learn the vocabulary and I can't remember these vocabulary repeated. So yeah,
so you know a lot of words, but you don't know vocabulary,
yeah,
but you can't
yeah.
use
I
it.
know, but I cannot use. I don't know why I can't use.
Ah, okay. Is is there a word right now that you're thinking of that you want to use?
Yeah, this is the word kinda, which is an American word, and kinda, and some of grab.
Grab.
So yeah,
Uh,
and, yeah, goosebumps overloaded. So yeah, I've learned these type of words, but
you don't know when to use them.
yeah, yeah,
Ah, okay, makes sense. Okay, yeah. It maybe with a little time it'll become easier.
yeah. Surely it will take time. So,
Surely it will take time.
this is a
That's
long
very
process.
cool. Well, that's really cool.
Yeah.
And are you so you work with your father's business, and do you also go to school or just uh
Currently, I'm not working with my father because I'm doing my graduation, so I haven't more time to work. But after completing my graduation, I will definitely work for him.
mm,
So up to the 90% of work I will handle after my graduation.
90%?
Yeah, 90% of work I will handle after completing my graduation.
Wow, okay.
That is why I'm learning English. That so I can handle the customer. I can grab the customer because the bonding
Mm,
is must.
yes.
Yeah, to make bonding with the customer and seller is must to increase our business. So that is why.
Wow, okay, very cool.
Yeah.
So you'll be handling sales, I guess. The
Sorry,
You'll be doing the sales, the handling the sales of the. Do you know that word? Sales?
sales.
Sales. Yeah.
Can you
You
please
will be.
write?
Yes.
Sales. No, no, I don't know.
I
Okay,
don't
sales. I think yeah, I know, I know.
know.
Yeah, yeah. So we
So
do sales.
yeah, you will do the
Yeah,
sales.
yeah, we do.
Uh, okay, very cool. Oh, that's
Yeah,
interesting.
yeah, yeah. Initially, it was difficult, but like no, eventually we made a account on Amazon seller, and
Mm.
we started to sell our product on the Amazon.
Mm.
In,
And right now it's on Amazon.
yeah, yeah. Right now, my product is on Amazon.
Ah, okay,
Yeah, it is
very
visible
cool.
on Amazon. Yeah.
That's really exciting. Okay.
Mm.
And have
Okay,
you
so you
traveled? Oh,
no, I haven't traveled before out of India. I have traveled a lot in India.
hmm.
Yeah. So have you traveled out of USA?
Yeah, I've been to Europe a little bit.
Europe,
Uh, so I
great.
want to visit China.
China, that's
Yeah.
a big country, huge
Yeah.
country.
That's a huge country. That's true.
Chinese language is too hard.
Oh my God. Yes.
Mm.
It's so difficult.
There was a day like I took a Chinese batch from
Mm,
institute. So like Chinese language was too hard for me. It is a huge syllabus.
mm.
Yeah. So I skipped that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I understand. It's really difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah, takes a lot of time to learn.
Do you know any of other language besides English?
I speak some Arabic. Uh, yeah, so
That's good.
that's why it's good here in Egypt to practice Arabic. Uh,
Yeah, the
my
people
Arabic.
of Egypt speaks Arabic.
Yeah, they speak Arabic in Egypt.
That's great.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Yeah. Do you like Bollywood movies?
I've seen some Bollywood. I think we only have 5 seconds, so I was
Oh
gonna.
yeah, we have run out of time. Yeah, this
Yeah.
was nice